Hello and welcome to this short tutorial on the Motorola SL300 two-way radio. In this video, I'll cover basic operation and some common features. Begin with the controls of the radio. On the right side, you'll find the accessory port, which is used to connect earpieces, and a USB charging port. Both of these can be accessed by simply pulling back the plastic covers. On the left side of the radio, you'll find the push-to-talk transmission button, the volume up and volume down button, and a programmable button used to access additional features of the radio. Lastly, on the top, you'll find the power button and the channel toggle switch used to change the radio channels. We'll begin by turning on the radio. Using the power button, simply press and hold for approximately 2 seconds. You will see a green light indication, and this will be followed by a tone, and the display will read out the current channel that the radio is tuned to.
Channel 1.
Conversely, to turn off the radio, simply press and hold the power button again, and you'll see a display and hear another tone, and the radio will then be turned off. Let's turn the radio back on again.
Channel 1.
To see the current channel that you're on, simply press or toggle the switch once.
Channel 1.
And this will be followed by a display of the current channel, and if this feature is turned on, an announcement also indicating the current channel. To actually change the channel, press the toggle switch twice in whichever direction that you are wanting to change the channel to. In this case, going from channel 1 to channel 2, we will press the toggle towards the channel plus twice.
Channel 1. Channel 2.
Again, the display will read out the current channel that you're on. To go back to channel 1, again, you just do the opposite. Press once,
Channel 2.
followed by a second time,
Channel 1.
and we will return back to the previous channel. To change the volume, of course, simply press the volume plus or volume up button, and the display will show the current volume level. As you repeat this, the display will increase in size and move to the right. When you've reached the highest level, you'll receive that double beep. Conversely, to lower the volume, press the volume minus or volume down button. And the display will grow smaller in size. To transmit, press down the push talk button. Hold for approximately half second to 1 second before speaking. To connect an earpiece, again, pull back the top cover covering the accessory port. And when connecting the Motorola M8 to the accessory port, point the wiring towards the rear of the radio like this and insert, pressing all the way in and then turning the wires up or down to lock the earpiece in the radio. At this time, you can utilize your particular earpiece push to talk button located on the microphone, depending on the type of earpiece that you have, to transmit communication. With the earpieces that have what's commonly referred to as pigtail connections, these particular earpieces are removable simply by turning and twisting the earpiece and sliding it out. You can probably see the wings on the end of the earpiece connector that, once inserted, will turn, sliding in to this open area and locking the pigtail into place. To remove the earpiece, again, simply turn facing away from you or towards the back of the radio, and then giving a firm pull, and this will remove the radio, and of course returning the radio's operation back to the speaker and microphone built into the radio. Radio can be charged either by placing into the drop-in charger or using a USB micro charger. Among the convenient features of the Motorola SL300 radio, if you press the power button once, the radio will display the current battery charge level, and if the radio is programmed to do so, will also announce the charge level.
Battery high.
Also, if the button is pressed twice in succession, it will display the battery level and also the specific radio identification.
Battery high.
That concludes this brief tutorial on the operation of the Motorola SL300 two-way radio.